On today's episode, we go from USDM to JDM. Hey everyone, welcome back. Merry Christmas. I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday. I did. We also had a little white Christmas wonderland here. Everything's freezing over though, so the roads are pretty bad. I'm keeping my ass here, keeping these things warm and cozy. So, you know, working on cars is pretty horrid, especially during the cold weather. So, but not for me. I gotta get stuff done. These guys are going 99 spec. So here are the 99 tail lights. So really cool story with these tail lights. When I was in Japan, I saw this mint white FD, and I went over to the driver and I asked him, like, hey, do you happen to have like any FD parts laying around, like anything? I'll take anything. And he ended up saying, like, yeah, I actually have 99 spec tails. And so I'm like, dude, how much do you want for these? And he hooked it up. I ended up getting these for about like 30,000 yen, so about like 300 bucks. And these typically go for like on eBay like anywhere from like $600 to $900. So I straight up got a deal on these. The only nick on these are right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's just like a little crack here on the lens. But you can swap these out from the USDM ones over to these, so it shouldn't be that hard to replace. But yeah, I'll pop these on the car and we'll see how they look compared to the USDM. So swapping out your tail lights are very easy on FDs. You got the 3 Phillips heads here on each side, and then you got the 4 Phillips here. Pop these plastic covers off. From there are 4 10mm fasteners for the 3rd brake light and a harness right here. You'll pop that out. Very easy to do. And I also switched over to LED markers, so that should be a nice upgrade to the just the look, the appearance of the car. Oh, that looks so freaking good. Oh my gosh, look at that. Boys and girls, 99 spec is coming at you. Oh, that looks so good. Anyway, I wanted to let you guys know too, on the trick of taking out these taillights is, instead of pulling them straight back, you got to pull them off to the side. So just a little tip for any new FD 3S owners out there. Oh my gosh, look at that. It looks so good. Oh, let me close the trunk here. Yes. So a while back I wanted to go with the Evo R taillights, or the what is it? Mayday Garage. The Mayday Garage one. Just awesome taillights. But I think I made the right choice with going with the OEM 99 spec ones. And yeah, they're just incredible. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick teaser on what the next episode will be about. There it is. Drop in the comments what you think this could be. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Till next time.
Go, go.